Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a very exciting haul today. It is from Amazon, which of course if you don't live under a rock you would know that it was Amazon Prime Week this past week and everyone's buying stuff off Amazon. I tried to resist but I couldn't because there was too many good deals as I'm trying to scoot on my couch. But I just want to go through a few things that I bought. I'm going to try a few things on and let them see what you look like. Everything I got, everything was under $200, the entire total. So that means I got a ton of stuff and I can't wait to show you. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first up, I wanted to buy these. I've had my eye on these for a while, but these are these little pearl, I want to say bobby pins, but I know that's what the beret, I think that's what they're called, beret is a hat. But you can see I got a pack. There's like 5 in there for, I think they were like $4.99, $5.99. So you can see them, very stylish. I think they are a knockoff of like Dior or something. So you can get the look without the designer price, which is always good. Another accessory I picked up was this headband. And I'm a big fan of headbands. And even though it's a little warm right now and velvet's not really what you would wear in the summertime, especially in the South right now. As you can see me opening it. I'm so bad at these, but I'm trying to get better at unboxing. I don't know why I did incorporations either. That doesn't make any sense because that's exactly what I'm doing. But this is the headband. I got it in this watermelon color. And I thought you could wear it in summer, even though it's velvet, but I thought this would be really pretty come fall and winter time as well. So, let's see. Very stylish. And another thing that I think is a dupe of something that's more designer, and like I said, this was $8.99, so you can't really go wrong with something like that. Okay, so now that we've gone through some of the accessories, I'm going to go through and look at the clothing, which there's a lot of, and I'm going to try it on a little bit too so you can see what it looks like. The first one was this dress. It's a maxi dress. I don't wear a ton of maxi dresses because I feel like I'm kind of not the right height for them. I feel like I'm too in between, like I'm not short or tall, if that makes sense, but I'm more on the taller side, so they sometimes look a little weird on me. But I got this green one. I had my eye on it for a while. It's got a cute little slit on the side. I'm hoping that it looks just as cute. I got it in a large. It looks like it's gonna be kind of small, which with Amazon clothing you never really know what you're getting. It could become really big or it could become really small, but that's why we do these videos, so you can kind of see what things look like on. But I like the material. I like the look of it. It looks like something that I would find at a local boutique. It's really cute. So I can't wait to try that one on. Next up is, I got a lot of dresses. That's mostly what I buy from Amazon, is those dresses that you see so much on BuzzFeed articles and things like that. But this one is, let's see. Oh. So I really like the detailing on this one. Again, it looks very, very small. I probably should have sized up in some of these. So my general rule is to look at the ratings and you can usually get a pretty good idea. But on some of them, like this one looks very small, so we'll see. But I really like it. It's really pretty. A lot of detailing. I'm getting married in December, so I'm trying to find some festive things to wear to our engagement parties and things of that nature. So, but it's really pretty. We'll see what it's like on. Then let's see, we have white bag. Speaking of wedding, I like to wear a lot of white. And oh, this is a dress that I've actually seen very similar on Free. No, this is not it. This is just, oh, I know what this is. This is a dress. If you follow my blog, you know that I do duplicates of outfits, especially getting closer to Halloween, to have costumes, but they're called Laurel lookalikes. And what I do is I'll take a famous movie character or film or TV show, whatever, and kind of recreate that character. You can kind of go on my Instagram, and I have a little spot at the top of my bio that will tell you all about it. And you can see the previous looks, but I got this one to recreate Midsummer, the A24 horror film. If you haven't seen it yet, it's very strange. It's good, but very strange. But I'm gonna try to recreate that look. And plus, I just like these little easy dresses that you can just throw on in the summer. This would be great for just going to run errands, or you can dress it up a little bit, but I think it's gonna be perfect for that midsummer look. One thing I'm seeing is this batch of clothing is really small. So that's why it's really good to look at the reviews. And like I said, if you want to, it's always better to size up than down, because I think everyone would rather have something that's a little too big than too small. This is just a really easy dress. I love the print, and it's like this pink, dusty pink color. Cute little mini dress. Again, I hope it's not too small. It looks like it's gonna be just fine, but it's little sleeves. Cute. I've been really impressed with everything so far. I thought a lot of it was not gonna look very good, I'll be completely honest, just because I kind of ordered some things just because they were on sale. I know that you shouldn't do that. It's actually a really bad thing to do in a habit I'm trying to break. But there were also some really good pieces that I saw that, you know, would be more expensive somewhere else. But on Amazon, it's just a click away. And with that, we have another white dress. This is what I was talking about. I have seen a duplicate of this at Free People that was even a little bit more expensive than this one was. And it's just a really cute embroidered dress. Kind of has that midsummer look too, but definitely shorter and not as costumey looking, I guess. But I think I loved wearing dresses all the time. So perfect for date night, girls night, work even. I think it's an appropriate length for that. But this is one that I was really excited to get, and I can't wait to try on. We're coming down towards the end, and one thing that I did get, but I'm gonna do another video on that I'm not showing you, is I got the Revlon hair dryer, and it's supposed to basically give you a blowout. I don't know what I did that for. I guess I'm trying to show you, but it's basically supposed to give you a blowout that's salon worthy. We're thinking dry bar. I probably won't be able to do it, but I did get one because I've been wanting one for a while and it was on sale. So that's not in this grouping, but I will do another video on that. Okay, we know I love some polka dots. I'm Disney obsessed. I'm crazy. So I got this little wraparound dress, which looks really cute. And this is navy polka dots. I think that'd be really cute. And I got things that I definitely, because it's still so hot here, we're in the middle of summer, but things that can transition into fall and look really cute too. Like I said, I have a lot of bridal events coming up, so just looking for some cute dresses to wear to those. This dress, this is the last thing in the group, but this dress was one that I had in black, and I wore it all the time as the little strand goes behind it that ties around the waist. I had one in black and I loved it, but the strap did break on it. I wore it several times, and that's another thing about Amazon clothing. Just know that it might not last forever, but it definitely is a good price point, and I think this was like 12 bucks. So it's a cute little maxi dress. I got it in yellow this time. Maybe I'll have better luck in the black, but yeah, let's go try some of this stuff on and we'll see. So much for joining me for this Amazon Prime haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the looks, and thank you, and join me again next time. Bye.